Ka Balang Unitarian mentagasngi kala penlong ya ka jingroke ya ka lingko chispa life of prasnam mentagasngi ka khat pratrik unai lor arjab san da ka ba penlong ya ka jingeseng ha yeng mane ka Balang Unitarian halaban ha ka ni ka jingroke ki dekhot jong ka Balang kilai shimanta da ka jingsir hem ha ka ba MP ka shilong u Dr. Wiki singkon ulalong u kongsan ban airu ya ka jingkran ka ba kordor ha ka ni ka sngi layo ru ya ka jingruai kiba kerpang nakaliang kidekhot jong ka Balang
Today, as we remember and as we celebrate the 138th remarkable journey of Unitarianism in this beloved land of ours, we recall with gratitude the vision of Hajam Iswar Singh Norwood way back in 1887 at an age of just 22 years old. He laid the foundation of the Unitarian movement in Japan. And this has spread to a number of places, not just in our state, but even in the state of Sahlang. He dared to challenge rigid traditions and open the door to a faith which is rooted in love, reason, and inclusivity. His legacy is not only about shaping of a new form of worship, but also about nurturing schools, promoting literacy, and building a community where service to others is central. His life teaches us that true faith must be lived out in acts of compassion and justice. Dear friends, this same truth, let me share with you, is beautifully illustrated in one of the profound lessons that we find in Scripture, which we all know, the parable of the Good Samaritan. In this story, which I'm sure people of many faiths, they heard and they know about this lesson or this parable of the Good Samaritan. Well, in this story, Jesus Christ introduced three groups of people, each of them defined by their attitude towards others in need. The first one are the robbers, whose motto is, what is yours is mine. I will take it for myself by any means. This group of people, to me, I believe to all of us who are present here, they embody selfishness and greed. Then there is a second group who belongs to the Levites and the priests, who passed by that wounded man, full of happiness. Why? Because their motto in life is, what is mine is mine, and what is yours is yours. I will mind my business, and you mind my house. Well, this group of people, they represent indifference and apathy. And we come to the third, that is the Good Samaritan. The Good Samaritan heard the cry of this person who fell in the hands of the robbers, who was crying in pain. He heard, he went, he saw. He stopped and cared for this wounded stranger. Why? Because his motto is, one is mine, is also his. The Good Samaritan embodies compassion, generosity, and a sense of love, and also a sense of responsibility for us. Dear friends, the message that we learn from this parable is actually for each one of us to ask the question. In which category do we belong? All of us want that. Which category do we belong? And what is our motto in life? Are we like the robbers, taking from others without care? Are we like the priests and the Levites, ignoring, minding only our own affairs? Or are we like the Good Samaritan, who chose to serve and to share what we have with someone who is in need? Dear friends, as Unitarians, inspired by our own historicity and guided by God's image within us, each one of us, I firmly believe, we are called to walk in the path of the Good Samaritan. Let us be reminded that we are not created for selfishness. We are not created with indifference, but we are all created to reflect God's love by caring for one another as brothers and sisters. And therefore, make this day of anniversary, as we celebrate the 138th anniversary of your family, may through this short message remind each one of us to live by the Samaritan's motto, that what is mine is also yours. And I believe that if our life, each one of us, if our life is guided by this motto, I am very sure and very certain that we can build a community where love, reason, and unity will shape everything that we do. Therefore, before I take my seat, let us all rise up. Let us build and be the harbinger of hope, of peace, of love and joy,